They said they do TikToks.
Yeah.
This is the chef. Hey! I heard he's a real good cook. Chickens.
Small chicken. Welcome back to our vlog. So today we're gonna go fishing.
The good barbecue. Then they got the good sauce. This is the good breakfast here. My friend JoJo and his wife hosting me. Got some good food. They love rice here. Check the pig out. He big. So this is the piglet. So some males and some females. The one on the left, that's the one JoJo say is good. And that's going to be JoJo's new pig.
You don't get it?
I don't get it.
That is
JoJo, that's the one you like.
Yes, that's the one.
Yes, that's JoJo's new pig. It took JoJo some time to realize. So his birthday just passed. Check how big that pig is. There's a few of them in here.
Of the banana.
I saw this thing hanging from the banana tree. It's called poso. And they said you eat it. I've never seen that a day in my life. Now I'm curious on what it tastes like. He's trying to get it. Okay, there it is.
My
Let me
brother
see.
Muhamed will eat this one when
We gonna cook this.
Patay man. No, dili pa rin yan. Not good for pregnant. Because of the birth. Kini?
They said they do TikToks. They're gonna have to show me some TikTok dances. Then she hired her. So yeah, I'm going to check their TikTok. They're preparing lunch, and this is like a chicken stock. This is soup from the chicken that he's making. It's very tasty. Got some good sodium. You taste the chicken flavor. It's good. Okay, we got lunch, and it looks good. I already had some chicken stock, the chicken soup. We got lumpia, rice, okra. What's the name? What's the name?
Banana vegetables.
Banana vegetables. Okay. And we have chicken.
Native chicken.
It looks good.
Native chicken.
They trying to feed me a lot. I said I don't want to look like JoJo. And one day, it's gonna take time. This is the chef.
Hey!
I heard he's a real good cook. He's been in the kitchen cooking the food. So I'm gonna give me some food. It's still early.
I'm ready
so
for my
we
visitors.
still got a lot. Yes. He's gonna cook for everyone.
The blessed visitors. Come from here to give to share the blessings.
Napila pag ko
Thank you. So everybody's been saying thank you. It's time to eat.
Muhammad, thank you for sharing your more blessings.
Thank you for hosting.
Thank you.
All right, I got the lumpia from the lumpia queen. She said she's the best. It's fresh too, hot out of the oil. It's real good. We usually have our okra chopped up, but they have it whole here. Is this soy sauce?
Sometimes it is not coming good.
Ah, so they do cut it too. But this one isn't cut. I haven't had okra whole like this. It's good. It's real good. I'm saving it. I'm about to taste it next. The lumpia is real good. And
Thank
You
you.
like it?
Thank you.
Now I'm trying what we caught from the tree.
It's a banana vegetables.
And it's something I've never had before. So I'm serious. Okay. They said it's spicy. I told them I like spicy.
You good?
I taste a real small hint of coconut. It's spicy and it's sweet, but not real sweet. It's real good. It tastes like there's no meat in here,
No?
but it has like a I'm trying to figure out how to describe it. It tastes like a meat, like it tastes good. Chicken soup, the whole chicken in there. Jojo already done. I'm over here talking, but we got the chicken here. It's all good. It's still early, even though it feels like I've been up for. I actually been up for a while. Got up at 4 a.m. We're about to get some coffee, get them some juice. All right. And they got some shops over there. They have a lot of options here. All sugar, but there's a lot of different flavors. I'm just getting coffee. Everybody else getting cookies and cream. How are you? Cookies and cream. 3 large.
3 large. Okay, sir.
Yes, and a large coffee. Please, sir. This the new YouTuber here. Mr. Shy Guy. Told him he can't be hanging with me,
What
Shy.
coffee, sir? Hot or
Ice.
ice?
Yes. You got little chickens in here. Oh, one got out. You can see the babies and the mama. The house is big size. It's a nice size. It's 3. And this is another big one. And this is where the mama stay. So he's cleaning it. He's getting it ready for the pig. We still searching. We still haven't found a pig yet. They calling everyone to find a good pig. We're about to feed the chickens.
Chicken. Small chicken and
There's a
mother
lot.
chicken.
Oh, that's her babies.
Yeah.
So it's for eggs or for meat?
For meat.
Ah, okay. And these here
Yeah.
are for meat?
For meat also.
So they all meat. No eggs.
This is the
So I've been welcomed to the family. I'm Filipino now, and I'm sleeping. They trying to tell me to take a nap. They've been trying to feed me all day, and I'm trying to lose weight. I've been walking around with some banana leaves, but we're gonna go fishing. The kids are gonna show me fishing. They still eating the chicken. They got papaya.
Where's the papaya?
And we're just relaxing.
Sabi ka ng papaya, ipakita na
It's
sa
been a long day,
Go, okay.
very long. I've been up since 4 a.m.
There's the papaya.
So that's the papaya.
Fresh papaya.
They trying to feed me everything, and I already ate more than I should today. These my new YouTubers, and Sophia's getting all in the camera. All I see is her head. They getting their pose ready. They got the dog. I just found out this is Mr. Valedictorian. I saw his pictures at graduation. They're out getting snails or clams. Very low tide. It's a little bit in the evening. It's still kind of early. It's just 4. We got the drunken monkey here too. They call him drunken monkey. I don't know his name. You can figure out why that's his name. That's him over there. He was just doing a TikTok video. We're gonna have to get him on my YouTube channel to dance. Look at him. Down his TikTok.
Yeah.
That's good. All right. Okay, he's about to cast. I'm scared of these kids casting this. They don't look back. They just toss. They pull it back and throw it real quick. All right. Here he goes. Ah, that's good. I need to catch him jumping. I'm going too slow. What's up, guys?
What's up?
Say what's up, Miss Sophia.
What's up?
Jojo in the bag.
Sophia! What's up, Sophia?
What's up, no fish?
We hanging out, trying to catch some fish. We trying to catch our dinner. We might not eat tonight
You go no?
because we're not getting fish.
Say hi.
Hello.
O tari pagbali. Ano ba? O tari pagbali. I joke.
Welcome back to our vlog. So today we're gonna go fishing.
Ito bang din? Asa man ka?
Hi.
How about cry?
Okay, what's up, guys? So today, Uncle Muhammad is fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, not anymore.
Not anymore. Today my father is
Fishing.
Let's see if Jojo
Ako niya, ako
catches
niya.
fish.
so bugtaw di anyway.
No. That's why it's my turn.
They out here chilling. It's still early, and it's a Monday. They got your drinks over there. They got barbecue here, and they got other things here. We're gonna hang out. They've been asking me to try some barbecue here, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm not really hungry. They've been trying to feed me all day. We're not gonna eat too much. We're gonna try a few things. This is the barbecue spot, and they have a sizzler here. They have pizza. Another sizzler spot. And they have the traditional Filipino food. They got a lot of options over here. Then down there they got some more. They got some more food over there. They have pizza here. It's a nice sized bar. And they have a stage. We got the chefs back here grilling the good barbecue. Then they got the good sauce. So we got a lot of different things. What's this here? This,
Belly.
the pork belly. Ah. And I see liver. I see intestines, chicken. Okay, it looks good. We got. She's gonna be on YouTube. Yes, you said post it, so you're gonna see yourself.
Let me
And this
try.
is the
Let
crew.
me see my face. Oh my God, smile naman diha, guys.
All right, this is what's gonna be on YouTube.
Oh my goodness. I wanna be famous.
Dodong man ito na ito.
Ano, sige, kuha na yung kaon niya.
Oh. Sila, kanang tambok. Kanang tambok.
We got the food here at the table with the rice. Everybody got their gloves ready. I told him with the eating, no glove for me. But you have to have a bathroom to use the glove. And the kids got, what's this? Pork belly? Okay. And they got intestines here. We're about to eat. They eat. They're making the ball with their rice. I got a lot of pork belly. She liked the intestines. She keep telling me to try it. All right. Very similar. Let's do it. Like barbecue. We got one more still trying. Let me see.
Goodbye, my brother, Muhamed.
All right.
Bye, my brother.
It's late now.
Hoping you come back to
It's been
visit
a long-
in our place. Thank you very much.
Thank you for
very
hosting.
much for the
I'm happy I came.
I pray
We
that
got
you come back to
JoJo
visit.
here. I'll try to make it back. I will.
Katilaw ang mundo.
And I had a good day. Today was good. I didn't know what to expect, but it was good. I met a lot of great people. New family now, so they all on my Facebook. I told him, you better message me. He's been shy all day. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Bibi Safia Muhammad is eating her snack.